Hello friends, welcome to our channel Silk Zone. Today again I am here back with our new collection, that is Tasar Ghicha Madhubani print sarees. These sarees are also known as Gachi Tasars, and the sarees which I am going to show you are printed with Madhubani prints, and these prints are very famous all over the world. As you can see this saree, you can see the pallu of the saree, the Madhubani print. You can see the whole saree is plain in yellow color, golden yellow color, and both sides of the saree there is a border which is printed in Madhubani design. You can see the blouse color, it is in black color. You can see very pretty and very nice saree, very awesome collection it is. Just have a look to our next collection. This is plain tasar ghicha color. The color of the saree is plain tasar ghicha color. All over the saree blue color printed is made. Even you can see the pallu, and all over the saree also butta type design flower is made. You can see the saree, you can see the collection, you can see the this is the blouse piece. You can see the blue one is the blouse piece color, and you can see the design of the saree. Now I'm going to show you the next one. You can see this yellow color saree with pink design border. You can see the both side of the saree, it is having a temple border, and the pallu is having a printed design which is Madhubani print. You can see the design of the saree, the pallu of the saree. Pallu is very awesome and very prettiest collection. You can see the cream white color design is over there in the pallu, and pink temple border is there in the both side of the saree, and the saree is very soft. This is a pure tasar ghicha sarees, which is also known as gachi tasars, and Madhubani prints are very famous for its design. It is known all over the world. You can see our collections. All our collections and designs are there in our website. You can directly log on to www.silkzone.in, or you can click on the link which is given in the description, which will take you to our collection page. All the sarees which I am showing here are available in our stocks as well as in our website. You can directly purchase from our website, or you can click a screenshot and share it in a WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is also given in the description, and once you place the order in the WhatsApp, it is also considered as your order. All other sarees which I am showing you here are having a design numbers. You can see in the screen all the sarees having design number. If you would like to purchase these sarees and you wanted to search the same saree in our website, and you are having trouble to search the sarees, then you can search through this number. If you type this number in our website, you can get the sarees picture easily there. You can have our collection designs here. I am showing one by one. Just have a look to this yellow one. The saree all over the body, it is very plain saree, and pallu is having a Madhubani print design. You can see the collection, you can see the design. You have a look to this. The print is very awesome, very beautiful. This is Madhubani print, that is king queen design is made in the black and white colors, and all over the saree it is a mustard yellow color print. Both of the saree is having a border. Border is also in a Madhubani print only, and blouse is in black color. You can see the black plain color is there, and blouse piece is attached with the saree, and the blouse piece is also pure tasar ghicha Madhubani saree, Madhubani print. And one more thing I would like to show you, friends, if you would like to purchase these sarees from our website or from WhatsApp or from our YouTube channel also, you directly want to contact and purchase, you can purchase. And if you would like to place order for this saree for the prepaid, in prepaid means, suppose before purchasing, if you will pay for this, you only have to pay 3,700 for each saree. And suppose if you are going to purchase this saree in COD, means cash on delivery, then you need to pay 4,000, means in prepaid you are going to get a 300 discount from us. And suppose if you would like to purchase these sarees in a bulk like 50 and 100 pieces, then please contact us. Definitely you are going to get some extra discount from us. All the sarees which I am showing here, pure tasar ghicha sarees. We are not having any mixture, any combination there. These are the pure tasar ghicha silk sarees with Madhubani prints. The pattern of the saree is Madhubani print, and the fabric is pure tasar ghicha sarees, which are also known as gachi tasars. I told you the prepaid price and the COD price. In the cash on delivery you have to pay 4,000, and the prepaid you are going to get 3,700, and you are going to get a 300 discount from us. You can see this saree, how beautiful pretty this is. We are going to have goddess face all over the saree within two color. Just have a blue and green one, and black border is there in the both of the side of the saree, and even in the pallu there is a black design border. You can see the color, you can see the collection, and there is a pure tasar. This is the natural color of the tasar silk sarees, where all over the saree printing design is made. You can see these faces are also there in the pallu, along with the black linings and designs in temple designs. And the pallu, as you can see, the saree color is very beautiful. And I'll show you the blouse piece, friends. You can see the blouse piece is plain color, with the border. You can see black border is there in the blouse piece also. All the sarees which I'm showing you are very pure, very pretty and very awesome collection, and 100% pure Tassar silk sarees. There is no any combinations. Suppose after purchasing, if you find that any of the saree is having any mixture or it is not pure, then I bet you friends, I'm there to help you. You can return it or you can exchange it. Even I'm ready to refund you if you find that the quality is not good and the quality is impure, because we do not compare with our quality. The quality is best and we only deal with the pure quality. If we say that the quality is pure, and then quality is 100% sure pure, because even we are going to give you silk mark tag along with our each and every sarees, and along with all the sarees you will get a blouse piece. Look at the saree. This is the black piece blouse of the saree. This is in natural color also. The saree is in natural color and having a red color design all over the saree. This is the blouse piece, you can see, and the saree is in plain color, plain red color, and both of the saree you are having a design. You can see how beautiful and pretty design it is. The color combination or animal shape design is made in the bottom of the saree. You can see like horse design is made, and it is having a black border in the bottom of the saree, and both sides of the saree you are going to have a design, and half of the saree is in red color. You can see this blue one, very pretty and very awesome collection it is. All over the saree pallu border, you can see the Madhubani print and the plain blue color. You can see this is the yellow one saree, yellow golden color saree, and pallu is having a black color Madhubani print. Border is also in a Madhubani print. You can see this saree. In this saree, this is also the same which I said before. It is having a lengthy border bottom and a plain line in the upside. Just have a look to the next saree. This is the dark peach color saree, which is having a Madhubani print in pallu and the border. You can see how beautiful and pretty this is. The collection is very awesome and very pretty. This is a Madhubani print design. All over the saree, this saree is having a butta all over the saree in orange color along with the red and other color combination in butta. You can see the pallu, you can see the border of the saree. All the sarees are available in our website as well as in our stock. You can place order through our website, or you can click on the link which is given in the description. As I said also before, also now also I'm saying you can log on to www.silkzone.in. You can purchase through there, or you can directly contact us. The number is given in the description. You can directly make a call. You can ask for any queries over there. We are available 24/7 from morning 10 a.m. to evening 7 p.m. You can call us. You can contact us for any purchasing regarding any. You have any queries for the purchasing regarding or any quality regarding purpose. If you want to contact us, you can call us. And all our sarees having a number. You can see in this pic, all the sarees having a number. You can place order through this number also. And if you want to search the sarees in our website, you can search through these numbers also. You will get the same design, same color in our website. Have a look to our all collections. Our entire collection are 100% pure Tassar silks, and all the silk sarees are having a silk mark tag. You can see in over the picture also. The silk mark tag itself says that is pure Tassar silk. There is no combinations or any mixtures there, because silk mark tags is given to only those sarees which are 100% pure. You can see this printing. The printing is very famous because of this designs. This pattern. The pattern is Madhubani. You can and most of the countries, not in India, it is famous in all over the world. Most of the people in other country also, they know that Madhubani print, because this design is very awesome, very prettiest and very loveliest design. Once you wear these sarees, you are going to look very gorgeous, because the collection is itself very awesome and very prettiest one. Price of each and every saree is 3,700 for the prepaid and the 4,000 for cash on delivery. You are going to get a 300 discount for the prepaid. This is because, friends, if you purchase in the COD, means cash on delivery, we have some extra charges, so you are going to pay for this. So if you are purchasing in a prepaid, even we are not getting we are getting some we are getting some discounts. We are going to give some discounts to our customers who are going to purchase in prepaid, because we are also getting some comfort to give our customers in a prepaid, because once you place the order, then we start to manufacture the saree and we used to give it the saree. After purchasing, if some customer says that we don't like this, then no issues for that. If after purchasing, if you find that print is not same, and if you find that the collection is different as I show you in the video, as I show you in the pictures, as I show you in the website, then definitely, friend, we are ready to refund your amount. We are ready to exchange you, and if you find any damage or defect, you can return it within 7 days. This is our policy. You can return any of our product if you find damaged or defected, you can return it within the 7 days. You can have a look to this color. The color is very pretty, friend. This is a pink one, which is having a very beautiful, very awesome design in the pallu. You can see this pallu is having very great collection, very great design. That is Madhubani print. All the sarees having Madhubani print. These sarees are pure Tasar Ghicha sarees. Means Tasar are pure silk, pure Tasar Ghicha silks in a Madhubani pattern. And pattern is like that. The saree is having plain or having some Buddha design all over the body, and pallu is having Madhubani print, and both of the side of the saree is also having a Madhubani print. All the sarees include blouse pieces. All the sarees there with silk mark tag. All the sarees are available with us, and all the sarees are very awesome and the prettiest collection. You can see this collections, blue one, red, all the colors whichever I show you are available with us. You can place order from website, from WhatsApp, through calls. You can contact us. We are always there to help you, and we feel very happy once you placed order. We feel very pleasure to helping you, and thank you so much, friends, for giving your precious time to watch my video. I request all of you to subscribe our channel and like our channel and share our channel, because I also request you to press on the bell icon, because as soon as I post a video, you will get a immediate notification, and you can come across our video, and you can watch our latest collection, because every day, every week, I'm showing our latest collection. Whichever is launching whichever the dress design is launching, I'm showing each and everyone. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Have a great day. Thank you.